Hello my fellow traders, today we shall be talking about Forex brokers. In case you are brand new here, you are highly welcome, and my name is Ato Forex. Many times if you are trading, you use Forex brokers, but today we shall see more about Forex brokers into detail. In case you like the content, please remember to subscribe to motivate and encourage me, also to support this channel. When you are trading, you don't go to the market directly. You use a go-between or an agent called brokers. We have several types of brokers that you should be aware of, or you should know as a trader. I believe that majority of forex traders out there, they don't know much more about the brokers that helps them get into the market or into the liquidity providers. They just connect their trade to the brokers, and they don't know much more about that broker or what type of broker they are using. As a forex trader, you should be aware about the types of brokers that you are using. For example, in case you are using XNES, since it is the most common broker known, you should know what type of a broker is XNES. Is XNES a dealing desk broker or it is an ECN broker? You should be able to know. That is just an example, but I know that you are using different types of brokers there apart from XNES. Today, that is exactly what we are going to learn into detail. One type of broker that we have is a dealing desk broker. A dealing desk broker can also be termed or called as the market makers. Why are they called the market makers? It is because they take the opposite side of your trade. When you place the trade, they don't forward your trade to the liquidity providers or to the main market. They instead deal with your trade. That is why they normally take the opposite direction of your trade, because when you fail, they benefit. This dealing desk or market maker brokers, they profit when a trader loses, and they also profit from the spread. They normally offer fixed spread. You are not able to adjust, it is fixed. This type of broker, it is good for beginners but may have conflict of interest. The second type of broker, we have non-dealing desk. The first one was dealing desk, but this one is now non-dealing desk. They are always good because they do not intervene with your trades. They just send your trade directly to the market makers or to the liquidity providers. Non-dealing desk, the way they make their money is from small commission and spread. For them, their aim is not to make the trade go against you so that they can benefit from it. They only have small commission and also spread, and that is how they make their money. Non-dealing desk has much more transparency than the dealing desk brokers. We also have subtypes of non-dealing desk, which is straight through process, or you can just say STP, straight through process broker. As I said before, this type of broker, they send your trade directly to the liquidity providers like banks, hedge funds, and many more. Usually they also have variable spread. Another subtypes of non-dealing desk broker, we have electronic communication network broker, of which you can also call it ECN broker. This type of broker connects traders directly to other traders and trading institutions. Electronic communication network broker offer very low spread, but they charge commission per trade. This type of broker is actually good for experienced traders, and it is the best broker to trade with in case you want to be profitable. Remember to subscribe, like, and share for you to be notified when I drop another useful and educative content. Another subtype of non-dealing desk brokers, we have hybrid brokers. Have you ever heard of hybrid broker? A hybrid broker, this is a combination or a combined type of broker which has market maker broker plus STP, which is straight through processing broker, and also ECN, which is electronic communication network broker. It combines the market maker broker and the non-market maker brokers. This type of broker can handle small trades internally. They don't forward it to the liquidity providers directly, but they deal with that trade in case it is a small one. And then the big trade, they pass it to the liquidity providers. Remember to subscribe and share. The other types of brokers, now we have two of them that I've not yet told you, but I'm going to tell you. They are not that very commonly used, and also they're not common as well. And that one is discount broker. This is actually mainly for stock traders. This type of broker offers low cost trading with limited research tools or customer support. And then the last one, we have full service broker. Full service broker offers trading plus research, advice and portfolio management. Usually they have high fees or commission when you are using this type of brokers. This type of broker is popular with investors who wants guidance. The most common type of brokers we have ECN, STP, and the market maker brokers. And that is the content for today. Thank you. I will see you in the next one. Bye.